Hello, this is Decimal and welcome to Synth News. Today I want to talk about Seofon. I'm probably mispronouncing it. This is a weird synthesizer. Look at its manual. I'm going to try my best to describe it, and it's not going to be easy, but let's go. On the website it says, it produces a sound that sounds like a water droplet, or perhaps in the next moment it will be generating a noise as intense as sawing wood. At the heart of the Seofon, it's a organic noise generator circuit consisting of 7 nodes in the center, which outputs directly and generates rhythm by feeding signals to the nodes that interfere with them. The Seofon itself provides 3 sets of pulse oscillators to adjust the pulse width of each set, and the positive and negative phase outputs. Different sound events are generated by extracting information from the nodes into the filter. All sounds originate from the interface and extraction of noise signals from the 7 set of nodes. When it comes to the 3 sets of pulse oscillators, each can be adjusted for pulse width, and it could be forward and reversed into phase outputs. By touching the different contacts in combination, you can quickly generate instant sound events, which generate a series of linked influences. They are comparing it to a butterfly effect. Now there are 2 versions of the Seofon. There's the light version without metal contacts and it comes with the stereo output. Then there's the standard version with metal contacts and 2 left and right mono channels and 1 stereo output. Overall, this is one weird synth reminiscent of some other gear that Soma has made. If you're interested in this synth, it is available for pre-order for 492 euros for the standard and 348 euros for the light version. What are your thoughts on the synthesizer? Let me know in the comments down below, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.